Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Mehndi Designs. Hope you all are good today. I'm going to show you how I make my empty hand poster for my daily henna design practice. Basically, it's very easy things. You may do it by just directly downloading it from internet and you may start your job. But today, I am going to show you how I do my custom henna poster. So for details, show the full video. You can easily find any bare hand picture from internet, but if you can't, then let me know by comment section. I will try to help you. So let's go to the main tutorial. Okay, here is the main screen. At first you have to go to the PicSart by which we edit our photo. Okay, then select all photos. Then go to your gallery and select the photo background. Actually, I download the photo background from the Pinterest. You can download it from the Google or any other options. Okay, I select this. Okay, then click add photo. Here is the I button here, add photo. Okay, then go to gallery again and select the hand image from the gallery. Definitely the bare hand image, and I also downloaded it from the Pinterest. Okay, here is my downloaded photo. Okay, I add the photo with my background photo. Then I zoom it because I have to adjust it with my background photo. Okay, by zooming it, I adjust it, and by selecting the opacity option, you can see if it adjusts it or not. Okay, then I click the erase button and erase the unwanted portion. Okay, I erase the unwanted portion of the bare hand image, and you can see the unwanted portion is erased and the background is visible here. Okay, you have to very carefully erase with patience because it takes time. You have to be careful about the every details if you want a beautiful frame actually. Okay, here is the image. Here is the final image, and now we just have to save it in the gallery. Select on the marked area. Okay, actually it takes time. I didn't do any types of tutorial video like that, so if I do anything wrong, then I'm sorry. It takes time actually. Okay, it's done and it's saved in gallery. So let's take the final image. So here is our final image. Okay, now just print the image from any photo studio and laminating it and use it as a base repeatedly. You can also use it as a henna practice base. It's so easy to make, and you can easily find out the pictures from Pinterest, from Google. It's easy, but if you don't get this, then let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you. Till then, subscribe my channel and keep watching my video. Bye bye.